guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification button below to alert you when I upload new material. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Now let's get on with the video. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a beautiful intro using Keynote on your MacBook. If I can do it, you can do it, because believe me, I am not a professional. Before we get started into Keynote, I first want to go to two main websites that I like to use. First, I want to go to pexels.com, and then I want to go to pngtree.com. I want to download my background photo, and then I want to download my main photo. I'm going to save each of the choices that I've made to my desktop. Next, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find Keynote. I'm going to open up Keynote and go to a new page. Now I have a choice to create whatever I want, or I can use one of the formats. I am going to use the standard and white, and I'm also going to go to the top and use wide instead of the standard size. Once I get my page up, I'm going to go up and I'm going to take it from 100% down to 50% because I want to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to click the double click to edit box and get rid of it on both boxes. Next, I'm going to go to the top of the menu and select Insert, and I'm going to come down and select Choose. And I'm looking for that background photo that I chose from Pexels. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to size it to cover the entire picture. I'm going to go back up to my menu, select Insert, come down to Choose, and I'm now looking for the eye that I selected from the other website. Now I have two ways to bring that in. I can just drag it from my desktop to iMovie, or I can select it. And I choose to drag it because I was having a hard time trying to find it. So I'm just going to drag it from my desktop right into my picture here. Now I'm going to resize it and center this photo. While downloading this file, I thought I was getting a transparent eye, but I see this eye has a border, and I need to get rid of that. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this program. No worries. While the photo is still highlighted, I want you to go over to your right hand side, select Image, and then come down and select Instant Alpha. As soon as I click Instant Alpha and click inside the photo, it highlights everything that I don't want. And then I simply let go, and I'm only left with the eye, which is all I want. Now I'm going to resize and center my eye again. Once it's centered, I'm going to come back over to Style. I'm going to go down and click on Border, and then I'm going to click on Line. This is going to give my eye more depth. Now I'm going to go over to Arrange. I'm going to come down to Rotation, and I'm going to center my eye a little bit more because it was turned a little too far up. So I want to get it pretty even and straight. There. Now I'm going to choose a shape. I'm going to scroll all the way down until I see the sunburst, and I'm going to choose that. I'm going to resize it until the eye is in the center of the sunburst. While the photo is still highlighted, I'm going to go over to Style. I'm going to select Style, and then I'm going to come down to Fill and change the color from blue to black. Next, I'm going to go up and select Text and input my business name. Next, I'm going to change the font and the size. And now it's time to animate this photo. Highlight the sunburst and then go over to Animate, and with Build-In selected, select your effect. Now I'm going to come all the way down until I see Drift. I'm going to choose that, and this is the preview of how that's going to look. Next, I'm going to highlight the eye. And instead of hitting Build Out to add an effect, I hit Action by mistake. So I choose Scale, I preview it, and I don't really like it. So I change, and I finally choose Pop. And I like that better. Now highlight the word Lori. Go up to Build In and select your effect. I'm going to select the typewriter effect and preview it. And then I'm going to come down to eyelash bar, go up to Build In, hit effect, and I'm going to choose typewriter again. Next, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to click the Build Order button. So now I'm going to build out the order. The sunburst is going to come in on click. The PNG, which is the eye, will come in after the sunburst. So I realized I have two PNGs, so I have to delete one. The word Lori will come in after the PNG. And eyelash bar will come in with Lori. Now let's preview our build-in. I like this. Now close the box and let's start with the build out. Let's start by highlighting the starburst. Come over to build out. Choose your effect. The effect is going to be fly out. Preview. Now highlight the eye. Choose the build out, choose your effect, and the effect is going to be confetti. Preview. Now highlight Lori's. Choose your build out, choose the effect. I choose disappear, and I will do the exact same thing for eyelash bar. Now highlight the background. Let's choose the build out, and the effect we're going to add is crumble, and then we'll preview. Now scroll down to the bottom and choose Build Order again. Starting with number 5, choose Sunburst. It will go after Eyelash Bar. Next, choose the PNG. This will go after Sunburst. Next, choose Lori's. This will go after the PNG. Next, choose Eyelash Bar. This will go with Lori's. And then finally choose the outline, and this will go after Eyelash Bar. Now preview, and you have a beautiful, beautiful intro. This is very easy and anybody can do it. If I did it, you could too. Now let's go back up to the top of the menu, hit File and Save. And you can name your project whatever you want. I'm going to keep mine on the desktop. Then let's go back up to File, go down to Export, hit Image, and we're going to save it to our desktop again. Now let's export, and you're done. Stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to upload this intro into iMovie. We'll add background music and upload it to YouTube. Well, that's it for this tutorial. I hope I've been able to help some of you with this video. If so, please leave a comment below. Also, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell below. And don't forget to like this video. Bye!